Ever heard of nanotechnology? You might have heard about it in reference to microchips or bioengineering, but would you ever think that nanotechnology would relate to one of the oldest materials humans have used? Wood? Believe it or not, researchers are developing cutting-edge experiments using nanotechnology, which is a fancy way of saying that we're breaking things down at the microscopic level in hopes of learning new things about the basic building blocks of wood. Discovering new ways of arranging materials at that microscopic level is leading to breakthroughs for products ranging from strengthening building materials to enhancing airplane wing de-icing coatings. But how do we come from here to here? It all starts in a national forest where sample trees are cut. The wood is brought into the U.S. Forest Service's Forest Products Lab in Madison, Wisconsin, where the wood is shredded into pulp. From there, the cellulose, the basic stuff that wood is made out of, is broken down even further by combining acid to the pulp in some impressive machinery. What comes out at the end of the process is nanopolymers that come in many forms, from gels to pastes and crystals, that can be used in a huge variety of products from electronics to paint. And you know what the best part is about using wood in all of these products? They're all sourced completely from renewable sources that are biodegradable and non-toxic. So let's think again about the power of wood.